Friends, welcome to Gaggan Tech. This video is for kids. A small story about ant and a dog. Please watch and support it. For more stories, please watch Gaggan and support us. On a hot day of summer, an ant was searching for some water. After walking around for some time, she came near the river to drink water. She climbed upon a small rock while trying to drink water. She slipped and fell into the river. There was a dog sitting on a branch of a tree who saw an ant falling into the river. The dog quickly plucked a leaf and dropped into the river near the struggling ant. The ant moved towards the leaf and climbed up onto it. Soon the leaf drifted to dry ground, and the ant jumped out. She looked up to the tree and thanked the dog. Later, the same day, a bird catcher nearby was about to throw his net over the dog, hoping to trap it. An ant saw him and guessed what he was about to do. The dog was resting and he had no idea about the bird catcher. An ant quickly bit him on the foot. Feeling the pain, the bird catcher dropped his net and let out a light stream. The dog noticed it and quickly flew away. The moral of this story is, if you do good, good will come to you. One good turn deserves another.